Flip the switch, the lights awake. Power flows with every break. Through the wires fast and bright, turning darkness into light. Electrons moving ever slow. Through the past they always go.